Cowpea is an important leguminous crop in tropical Africa with over 12.5 million hectares of land used for the cultivation of a crop. Experts say it's rich in protein, iron, fiber, and a source of livelihood for many smallholder farmers. However, cowpea cultivation through the traditional farming system has over the years been confronted with low yields due to poor agronomic practices, pests, and diseases. SARI and African Technology Foundation in the last 4 years has developed genetically modified cowpea varieties for confined field trials in Ghana. This is aimed at increasing the yield by 20% per hectare to enhance food security. Speaking to Versa One News during a field visit, the Principal Investigator, Dr. Mumuni Abudulai, said tests are being done to know the resistance level of the plant.
We are doing further tests to evaluate these experiments on the field to be sure that the gene is actually doing the job that we think is doing, that is protecting the crop against attack by the pot borer. So we are doing field efficacy tests where we artificially infest the cowpea plants 50 larvae per plant for 10 consecutive times every 3 days, just to overwhelm it with the pressure of the maruca, to be sure that when they come out successfully, they are actually resistant, but not false resistance. Because when you don't have enough pressure and it's subjected to that, you might turn out to say that it's resistant, whereas it's actually not. Throughout the studies that we've done so far, we realized that the maruca resistance actually is there. Those plants that are transformed with the maruca gene actually confer resistance. You can see that in the number of pods that are damaged and also the seed that are damaged.
Dr. Abudulai further indicated that farmers will not have to buy seed every year to plant since it is not a hybrid seed.
And we know cowpea is a self-pollinated crop, that it is self-pollinating, which means that you don't get insects coming to pollinate it from other sources. So the male and the female are both on the same plant and it's self-pollinating itself. So we don't even have to worry so much about gene flow. It can still pollinate itself in the transformed line. And farmers do not necessarily have to go and buy seed every year to plant. It is not a hybrid seed. It's just like a conventional seed, but we're using biotechnology tools to develop it. So farmers, when this is deployed, there's still a long journey to deployment. We don't know when we deploy the technology, but when we're certified with the regulations, permit, and everything is certified that this is good for Ghana and it can do what we think should control the pest, then we'll go through the regulatory process.
The focal person for Open Forum on Agricultural Biotechnology, Dr. Margaret Atipo, urged farmers to adopt biotechnology to increase yield. From Tolon Yankpala, Noah Nash for Versa One News.